As far as our understanding is concerned, the people who've been sent back to Panama, they were staying in the United States illegally. Our understanding is concerned, the people who've been sent back to Panama, they were staying in the United States illegally. Now they are there in Panama. We're taking care of them. Once their identity is established and we are certain they are Indian nationals, documentations will be done and arrangements by relevant authorities there will be made for them to return back home. So hopefully that should happen soon. We've seen some reports about deportation flights to Panama and Costa Rica. Now, it is our understanding that these have been undertaken as per a bridge arrangement between US and the respective governments. Both Costa Rica and Panama have agreed to serve as transit countries for deportees while the US bears all the costs of the operation. We have some Indian nationals, we understand, and our mission in the group and our mission in Panama, which is also accredited to Costa Rica, they are in touch with the local authorities. In case of Panama, we are verifying the details whether the individuals concerned are Indian nationals or not. एक और बात आपने कही जो फ्लाइट्स आई थी 15 और 16 तारीख को, उसके बारे में कि उसमें भी क्या बेड़ी लगा के लाए गए लोग को, तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि 15 और 16 तारीख को जो फ्लाइट्स लाए गए हैं, हम लोगों ने अपनी कंसर्न्स जो हैं वो अमेरिकी सरकार के साथ साझा की थी कि जो वहाँ से लोग आए उसको एक ह्यूमन तरीके से उनको लाया जाए और उनके साथ और भी जो उनके रिलीजियस सेंसिटिविटीज़ हैं उनका ध्यान में रखा जाए. तो हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हिसाब से जो 15 और 16 फरवरी को जो जहाज आई अमृतसर में, उसमें बच्चों को और जो औरतें हैं उनको किसी प्रकार का वो शैकलिंग नहीं किया गया.
Then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.